1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Start the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to do a cross bend here, reverse right. 1, go 2, 3, follow. 5, 6, 7. Lead to the right side of the slide. Now the right hand's going to go over my head on 1, 2. Now it's going to be going over her head, so not over my head. So I'm going to keep the left arm down and go over her head. 3. Now I'm going to let go of the left hand, just turn face her. 5 and do a back charge on 6, 7, catching both hands. Now we're going to flip side on 1, stay closer. Guys, we're going to hook. 2, we're going to do a big turn on 3 and do a back charge. 5, 6, 7. Right hand's going to come down over on this side. Turn to the left to step back. 1. Step back again as I wrap her up with the right. 2, the Titanic. 3. So now we're going to come together on 5. Now left hand starts turning over the head. 6, I start turning on 7 with a hook. Now we're going to go over my head. 1, over her head. 2, flush down. 3, follow her. 5, catch the left hand. 6, 7, grab your shoulder, open up. 1, 2, I say turn. 3, 5, 6, 7, 360. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7, start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, crossbody lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, walk through one on left forward. 1, 2, turn 3, 5, 6, 7. Now how to turn to the left. 1, stay in place. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do a Titanic or a half a basic forward. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to step back and start turning to the right. 5, 6, 7. Face your partner. Now keep turning to the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Walk through again. 1, 2, turn. 5, 6, 7. 360. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
What's up guys, it's Scott from Casa Salsa. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you click the subscribe button right here so you're able to stay updated with all of our videos to come. And also make sure you check out our website in the description below so you can have more access to exclusive content and even take a live class with us. See you there.